In this video, I'll show you how to install a Shopify theme using a zip file. This is useful if you've downloaded a theme from somewhere like ThemeForest, a theme developer, or another Shopify store backup. Before you start, make sure the theme file is actually a zip file. You don't need to extract it. Shopify needs the theme to stay compressed as one zip file when you upload it. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This opens the Themes page for your Shopify store. Now scroll down to the Draft Themes section. This is where Shopify keeps themes that are installed, but not currently live. Click Import, then choose Upload Zip File. A pop-up will now appear. Click Choose File. Now find the Shopify theme zip file on your computer. Select the file, then click Upload. Shopify will now upload and install the theme. This may take a few moments depending on the size of the theme file. Once the upload is finished, the theme should appear in your Draft Themes section. At this point, the theme is installed, but it is not live on your store yet. You can click Preview to check how the theme looks. You can also click Customise if you want to edit the theme before publishing it. When you're ready to make it live, choose Publish. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you want to replace your current live theme. Confirm the change. Your uploaded theme will now become the live theme on your Shopify store. If the upload does not work, double-check that you uploaded the correct zip file. Sometimes downloaded themes are inside another zip folder. If that happens, you may need to extract the main download first, then upload the actual Shopify theme zip file inside it. And that's it. You've now installed a Shopify theme using a zip file. Hope that helps.